so this is going to be a very cozy Christmassy vlog. But before starting, I just want to clear a few things, like before you all come at me and say why am I celebrating Christmas or if I'm a Christian or something. So I'm just doing it for the vibes, and I'm not celebrating Christmas in general, but I am romanticizing winters. I feel like there's nothing wrong in enjoying the decorations and the lights. Like at this time of the year, everything just feels so pretty and we can enjoy that. Like the vibe is just so pretty and the girlies love the vibe, so I'm here for it, and I hope you get my point, right? And I think most of you can relate with me, but if you still have anything else to say, then just please keep your opinions to yourself. Also, have you all seen my Christmas nails? Like, these are cherry red nails which are so trendy, but I think they look more brown in the camera, and I'm thinking to make bows on these two nails, but I'm not sure if I will be able to make the bows perfectly, so I'm just not taking the risk and I'm gonna keep them the way they are, and they're looking so cute. And also my outfit is giving Christmas. It's so cozy, so comfy, and this charm necklace. Also, I put this bow in my hair which is like looking so cute, and also the pajamas that I'm wearing, wait, let me show you. So these pajamas are exactly like the ones on my Pinterest, and I got them a few days ago, and I'm feeling so cute, so comfy, and it's giving Christmas and holidays. And I will go to a bookstore today. I wanted to go there in fall, but then I just could not, so I'm going today. Yeah, that's the plan, and it's all feeling so comfy, so cozy, and so beautiful. Okay, so I'm back home and I've changed back into my PJs, and here's my book. Now let me show you which one I got. So it's the Christmas bracelet, and it's such a pretty book. I looked for some other options too, but I found this one interesting and I'm so excited to read it. And also it has written a Christmas you will never forget, so I'm really excited to read it. I think it's a New York based story because it has this page which took my heart, and see, it has a map of New York City, and I'm just so obsessed with it. Also, it has a bow, and I have a feeling that this is going to be very interesting. And also, if you have read this already, do share your reviews, and I'm so excited to read this. And now it's time to start decorating, and I've not got anything special for the decorations. And now I'm just gonna start with this tablecloth that I got a few days ago, and it has these bows all over and it has such a pretty pattern. And I feel like tablecloths are something that just enhances the overall look of especially my room, because I always uses the tablecloths on my desk and it just changes the whole vibe. Like I got one for fall and that was very fall colored and the vibes were just so pretty, and now I got this one for the Christmas. So yeah, let's just start decorating. Pinterest and we are making our Pinterest board. So yeah, let's do it. I could already see so many pretty pictures. Okay, so I'm done making the Pinterest board and here's how it looks like. And let's start with some Christmas pajamas. Like, and here's a picture of a red cardigan with PJs, which I'm already wearing, so I'm already feeling very Christmassy. And then there's just some DIYs that I want to make, like this gingerbread house, which is looking so pretty. So I'm thinking to make one because they look so cute. And also this gingerbread wreath, which is so cute, and I'm thinking to make this, like it has gingerbreads all over and a bow in center. Also, this one is such a cute idea of making a mini Christmas tree using the books, and it is also looking so cute. And here's just some more ideas of Christmas DIY decorations, and I'm definitely gonna make some of these. Oh my god, look what I found, the PJs exactly like the ones that I have. And I'm thinking to recreate this picture like with my hot chocolate, wearing my PJs, comfy socks, and this is going to be such a cute idea. Lastly, I'm gonna have a movie night in which I will watch Home Alone with some baking. Okay, so I just baked these three cookies. I did not wanted to make a larger batch, so I just followed a recipe and made these three cookies.